It is time. It's time for the lightning round. And then the lightning round's over. Are you ready, Skate? Guys, on the lightning round, let's start with Jim in Connecticut. Jim.
Jim, it's another Jim calling. No relation.
Good deal.
I'm an Activision member.
Yes.
And it's been extremely helpful.
Thank you, buddy. Really appreciate it.
AMD, I do not like the pin action.
Oh, you are right. You are right. Listen to me. Mike Ryder put a number today. Nobody really likes it. That's going to send AMD down. I think AMD's doing better than Mike Ryder. But, Jim, you know how it goes. We write about it all the time for ActionAlertsPlus.com club members. These all trade together, which is why we have taken our cash position up so high. You'll get a chance to buy AMD lower. Mark in New York. Mark.
Hey, Jim. Thanks for taking my call. I want to thank you. Great show. And,
thank you.
Wanted to ask you, in lieu of 5G and the China scenario that's...
Yeah, what stock? Did we lose... Let's go to Trevor in Wisconsin. Trevor.
Booyah!
Booyah!
What's up, Jim?
All right, what's happening?
My question is regarding Activision. Stock's been down over 50% in the last year. However, it seems to be relatively stable in recent months. When you take into consideration, they got some exciting product releases, specifically with the new Call of Duty that's going to be the first game ever to be introducing cross-console compatibility to the gaming world. Mm-hmm. Do you think we're looking for a buy here?
I think the stock is what I would call an up stock. That's really not why I like to recommend things. I am much closer to Take-Two Interactive, and on any dip, I think what Strauss-Zelnick is doing is better than what's going on at Activision. Betty in Michigan. Betty.
Hi, Jim. Booyah. Thanks for taking my call.
Of course.
Lyft, is it time to buy?
No, not yet. I do believe that, the company... It opened in the 80s. It's all the way down. People have nothing but losses on it, so it might become literally a tax loss play between year and year end. Let's go to Daryl in Tennessee, please. Daryl.
Hey, first time, long time. Jim, GEL, Genesis Energy.
Very big yield, but a suspicious yield. I think it's too high. It makes me worried. And that whole complex, I do not like at all. Dave in New York. Dave.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah, Dave.
My question is about Realogy, ticker symbol RLGY. The chart was a disaster the past couple of years, but last month they announced a partnership with Amazon, and since then the chart's been looking a little better. I'm wondering, is now a good time to get in?
Well, look, it's certainly, what can I say? It's cheap. It's got a yield that I actually believe it can support. I do believe when you're buying something like that, a quality company at 6 times earnings, it might be worth it, but they do have a lot of debt. Understand, a stock down 56%. It's got a lot of sellers in it still because of tax law selling. I'm not going to object to buying a stake in Realogy, but it is speculative. Let's take one more. Let's go to Steve in Pennsylvania. Steve!
How you doing, Jim?
I'm good. How about you?
Oh, I'm okay. I got a question. You guys have been talking about Cronus a lot.
Right.
And the only thing I missed is when's the time to buy?
Well, you know what? I felt that after CW Pharma, the shorts took a big run at it. I thought that Gover did a good job on the show. The stock is now up 6 when he came on. Cronus is at 9. I think you can speculate and buy a piece. And that, ladies and gentlemen, conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.